Hey, we just finished up a project over in Pensacola Bay. Long dock, Thro-Flow decking, nice hip style boathouse. Got the shingles put on yesterday. I'm gonna get some final pictures of that and get that uploaded here for you. We're getting started on another boathouse. We just finished this seawall over here. Kenneth's crew did that, and Tanner's crew came in and set the pilings for the boathouse. We're gonna go ahead and get the hip style roof and boat lift put in today, and I'll get some pictures of this posted. This was quite a transformation on this project here. Y'all wanna definitely look this video up. I'll have it posted within the next few weeks. Here's some more stuff that we've done in this bayou right here. We've done quite a bit of stuff. This boathouse behind me here with the boardwalk. This other boathouse right here with hip style roof is a dug-in boat slip. We did that quite a few years ago, but got everything tied together here real nice. It looks good. So y'all keep checking it out, and I'll get this video posted within the next few weeks. You can see how the transformation of this project really occurred. Hey guys, here's a project we started on a few months back. We got the old wood seawall tore out, installed a new vinyl seawall, navel style wall. Now we're working on installing the dock. Had an old dock, a platform here. We removed the dock and platform, hauled that all off to a recycling center, and we've got the new product going back in now. We've got Thro-Flow decking on it, building the boathouse right now. Here, Golden Sea Drive series boat lift coming to be installed inside the boathouse.
Are you ready?
I don't think she's ready, man. It enables you to raise the boat up with a crow's nest or tower, radar, so you ain't got to worry about it. Keeps everything in the boat protected underneath the roof. We like to do a step down on the service walk on the outside of the boathouse. This enables you to access the boat during the winter low tides. Hey y'all, thanks for checking out my video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe now. Hit the like and share button. If you got any comments or questions on how we do this, please feel free to leave me a message and I'll try to get back with you. Got a lot more projects coming up, so y'all keep on watching.